I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
To be the next first quarter of 2023. You can say register for who say please, if you're a man and you want to marry this one, you have to live in Banana.
That's true.
Right now, reputable man.
Gently. Very good. Good. Now can you kiss it? Kiss the ring. Young lady, has it entered? So shall it continue to enter. Amen?
Amen.
As it is. Till death do us part. Amen.
Amen.
Please clap for her. Now, please can you kiss the ring?
I'm not too sure.
Good. When the first shot enters, please, you can have your seat. That is member of the Institute of Single and Searching. As from today, your nomenclature has fully changed. As from now on henceforth, you will be called and addressed as member of the respected society, that is Mrs. Mary Akpabio, Israel, God's will. Very good. Now, let me start
member.
Now, having fulfilled all requirements, I'm giving you this certificate. But remember, this is the only legal document that binds the two of you together in marriage. However, whilst the certificate belongs to you, the custodian of this certificate is going to be your wife. Now, we do that because women knows how to keep things more than men, number one. And now, secondly, she is the one that will use this certificate to change from her father's name to your own. The young lady, immediately we finish, you can go to the high court, change the name you want, remove your father's name, get the affidavit, and then go ahead and do the newspaper publication for public awareness. And here we go. Good. Now, giving you this certificate does not mean that it belongs to you or not. Please keep it where your husband will have access to it all times. You need it for this. Now, this certificate is not transferable. Please don't give it to any member of your family or secretary. Right? Now, the next thing is, please, this certificate is not to be laminated in any way. The day you laminate it, it will affect this seal. So please, don't go and laminate it. You can only photocopy it. Get that? Now, one other thing, you have seen this beautiful handwriting. Please don't try to affect any changes here. The day you do that, you have rendered it invalid. If you have any problem here, please bring it back to the registry for amendment. Now, this certificate is not to be folded into two. It's to be rolled like this. See it? Now, this is for the safety of the certificate. So, line by this. Let me hand over. Please, cameraman, please come one side. Place your hand across her waist.
Yes.
Her waist. Okay. Now hold this certificate. Please put your ring outside. I want you to look at the camera so that I'll smile.
Stay, Daddy. Daddy, adjust. Daddy, adjust.
No, just the two. Don't hold it into two because you want to travel out of this country. Embassies doesn't collect any certificate that is folded. It's always rolled like this, as you can see. Now hand it over to you. Hold it. Now look at the camera once again and smile. Is that okay? Perfect. Thank you very much. Now. With that, now hold this. Now, beautiful. Now, the witnesses have signed. You have fulfilled all requirements. Isn't it? Good. Now, Israel, today, you are permitted, authorized, lawfully, legally, rightfully, and possessively, hold your wife by the hand. What is your eyes? It's supposed to look like it. He has no problem. That's how you are supposed to Alright. Young lady, place your hand across his shoulder. Now you are going to say a memorable kiss.
Oh, Lord.
Please
Oh, Lord.
Go ahead.
Oh, Lord.
He's
the bride.
He's the bride, please. Don't waste time. This is
What's that?
Are you kidding me?
What's that?
I start something, Daddy.
You are joking. Mary, you're joking.
Yes, they are joking.
Kiss and pause.
And freeze.
This is called marriage. Please do what we ask you to do.
If not, yes, before we, oh yeah,
Sanction you.
oh, the makeup artist is still around, don't worry. Oh yeah, oh.
Alright, we are going to snap with them. Please, can somebody snap this one? Over here, sir. They are coming. Let's start with them. 3 of us. Let's, yeah.
I'm doing it. All right. Easy, don't die, you. Do Jangolova for him.
It's not only half, you'll be snapping me.